What are the maintenance requirements for a wood-burning fireplace compared to a gas one?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the maintenance requirements for wood-burning fireplaces compared to gas fireplaces. Fireplaces can add warmth and ambiance to our homes, but it's essential to understand the maintenance needs of different types. So, let's dive in and explore the key differences between wood-burning and gas fireplaces when it comes to maintenance.
Wood-burning fireplaces.
Wood-burning fireplaces have a charm of their own and create a cozy atmosphere with the crackling sound and the scent of burning wood. However, they do require regular maintenance to ensure their optimal performance and safety. 1.1 Cleaning and removal of ashes. One of the primary maintenance tasks for wood-burning fireplaces is cleaning and removing ashes. After each use, you will need to remove the ashes from the fireplace carefully. This involves using a fireplace shovel and a metal container to scoop out the ashes. Proper disposal of the ashes is crucial, as they can remain hot for a long time and pose a fire hazard if not handled correctly. 1.2 Chimney cleaning and inspection. Wood-burning fireplaces produce smoke, soot, and creosote, which can accumulate in the chimney over time. Regular chimney cleaning and inspection are essential to remove these deposits and prevent chimney fires. It is recommended to have your chimney professionally cleaned at least once a year to ensure its proper functioning. 1.3 Wood storage and drying. Another consideration for wood-burning fireplaces is wood storage and drying. You will need to ensure a proper supply of seasoned firewood, which should be stored in a dry and well-ventilated area. It is essential to avoid using wet or unseasoned wood, as it can lead to poor combustion, excess smoke, and increased creosote buildup in the chimney.
Gas fireplaces.
Gas fireplaces have gained popularity due to their convenience, cleanliness, and ease of use. Let's explore the maintenance requirements specific to gas fireplaces. 2.1 Annual inspection and servicing. Gas fireplaces require annual inspection and servicing to ensure their safe and efficient operation. It is highly recommended to have a professional technician inspect the gas fireplace, including the burner, gas lines, and vents, to detect any potential issues and perform necessary maintenance tasks. 2.2 Cleaning and dusting. While gas fireplaces don't produce ashes or creosote like wood-burning fireplaces, they still require regular cleaning and dusting to maintain their appearance and functionality. This involves wiping down the interior and exterior surfaces of the fireplace, removing any dust, debris, or pet hair that may accumulate over time. 2.3 Checking gas connections and ventilation. Gas fireplaces rely on proper gas connections and ventilation for safe operation. Regularly checking the gas connections and ensuring there are no leaks or loose fittings is crucial. Additionally, inspecting and cleaning the vents or flues to ensure proper ventilation is important to prevent any potential gas buildup. In summary, wood-burning fireplaces and gas fireplaces have different maintenance requirements. Wood-burning fireplaces necessitate cleaning and removal of ashes, chimney cleaning and inspection, and wood storage and drying. On the other hand, gas fireplaces require annual inspection and servicing, cleaning and dusting, and checking gas connections and ventilation. Remember, regardless of the type of fireplace you have, regular maintenance is essential for both safety and optimal performance. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights.